The future doesn't belong to people who only use AI. It belongs to those who build AI. Imagine building intelligent systems that solve real-world problems. Master Python, don't just learn theory. Build AI applications and automate complete business workflows. Master Python, machine learning, generative AI, prompt engineering, AI agents, APIs, workflow automation, and build real projects. Learn through live classes, expert mentorship, practical assignments, and an industry-ready capstone project. Whether you're a student, graduate, or freshers, or working professional, your AI career can begin today. Don't just learn how to use AI. Learn how to build with AI. Ready to build the future with AI? Scan the QR code on your screen. The next batch starts on August 17th. Register today and begin your AI journey.